Traders. In this video, we are going to see about Euro USD pre-market analysis in New York section. So, what the market? I am recording this video in London section. So, I am not taking any trade in London section because I have missed my entry. So now only I have been sitting watching the chart. So I think I should upload a video what the market we can expect in New York section. This video is only for how to identify the bias and how to read the place. So I actually teach you how to read the place in this video. So first of all, we are going to in the weekly time frame. You can see here. I am in the weekly time frame. So you can see here. Here is an FEG. So you can see the sign of the market is bullish. You can see here in weekly market is bullish and previous week is also bullish. You can clearly see here if the body closes below this FEG, we can consider the trend is going to change to bearish, but the sign has been changed in this area. It's showing bullish sign, and you can see here the immediate rebalance. So which is being here, the market has been giving a immediate rebalance. After this immediate rebalance, market went and tap up, so we can expect bullish bias. So what I am going to expect in near section, let's go to a lower time frame in day, what liquidity market is going to take. So according my perspective, I am expecting market to take which liquidity. Market have already taken this liquidity. There are equal highs and we can expect this size to market has been taken. Why? Because the market is like consolidation in this area. So market is inside this candle. So I expect the market to take this buy sell liquidity. So this is my buy sell liquidity. I expect market to take in this area in New York section. And another thing what I expect, why the market is going to reverse in this area, because we should have a higher time PD array below this. So we have higher time PD array in here. In day we can consider this is a bearish order block. Otherwise we can go to a lower trade for big confirmation. We have here one bullish order block in 4 hour. You can see here, here is a bullish order block. We can mark this as a bullish order block in this area. So we can consider this bullish order block. So if the market tap here, there is a chance of reversal. So we can consider so bearish order block. I have mentioned the time frame which we are using is 4 hour. So I mentioned this is a 4 hour. So what the price is doing in euro, it's also doing in the GBP USD, saying which is positively correlated pairs. So in 4 hour we can expect market to take this size, and you can see here the market is responding to this inversion fair value gap. You can see here, here is an inversion fair value gap in 4 hour. The market respected this inversion fair value gap. So I mark this as a blue color, then only you can easily understand. So after tapping this liquidity market went high, you can see here where I did miss my entry, what I am going to expect. So market, if market going to take this size, this all are liquidity point. Market should take every liquidity. After taking every liquidity, what I am expecting in the market is after taking this liquidity, retracement, after taking this liquidity, and here is the key point, man. What I am expecting after taking otherwise queuing here, and we can expect a higher time period array below this. Below in 4 hours, we can okay. We no need to go for higher time. We have a PD array in such good area. Here is a fair value gap which is in 1 hour. So we have a good sign of fair value gap in this area. So when market retouch this area, we can expect for a reversal sign. So which is near to this liquidity. So I am expecting market to take this fair value gap. So if we take, we can expect market to sell. So where did I have missed my entry in London section, guys? We can see here, which is a 4 hour inversion fair value gap. IFEG we call this as a and I'll go to 15 minutes to show you liquidity. The market take every liquidity. You can see here. Here is a huge of liquidity, bunch of liquidity. The market has been taken this. I have considered this as essential liquidity first of all, and after that I consider this as essential liquidity. And other than that, I have considered another thing. One, okay, I have missed guys something. So what we can expect in this area? There is a chance of expecting market to go up. Yes. So I have missed my entry. This is also liquidity. After taking this liquidity, market come down and give me a displacement. We can see here. Here is a freak reversal. You can see a mark. This is a red color. The manipulation has been over and every stop loss has been taken. So that my method, I can use this as my method. Here we can expect the market structure shift in 5 minutes, and I have get a huge displacement. I have teach you guys market take any liquidity. We need a huge displacement, and my target should be this size. My target should be this size, and my entry is this bullish order block. My entry is in this bullish order block. If I get this trade today, I will be feeling very happy. But I missed it, so I am something. I'm good. I'm not worrying. Well, there is a lot of trading days, so don't worry for everything. Free. So we can see here our target, which in London keeps on market very move very hugely and very fastly, guys. You can see here very huge displacement we can expect here. Price action is too good. So I have missed this opportunity. In which time 2:30. It's a good time. The London Open keeps on open, guys. So I am still with 13 people. If I take 0.05 lot, it's good trade. So we can expect another buys in this area. So after sitting, what we can expect? Okay, what we can expect in that section? Now I am going to say, guys. Okay, but market created many liquidity below this. So we can see here is a which is higher time, which is 4 hours. So I'm going to mark in the rectangular box, so it will help you for marking this. This is FEG 4 hour, which is called as inversion FEG. So I mark this inversion FEG 4 hour. So what I am going to expect in the market in below section. So market has created many liquidity points. So what I am going to expect in US section, otherwise I will expect in London section. If market took this sell side liquidity, if market reacted to this sell side liquidity, I will definitely going to take buys, guys. Why? Because this is the area where we can contest the premium. Or if you are taking a trade, we should buy at a discount. So I will expect the market to take this loss. After this reacting to this 4 hour FEG, if I get a huge displacement in this area, I will try to get a trade in this area. My target will be this. Why? Because the market have a huge liquidity. So we will see like this. We can expect here to take the liquidity. What the market is doing in the newer section, we can see in the video, guys, upcoming videos. So if I take any trade, I will upload you guys. So guys, I hope you may understand. If you understand, you can ask me traders. Bye guys. Bye.